What's up, everyone? Ethan Vlogs here. Today, I'm going to connect my arcade stick because I'm not on Bluetooth yet. And I'm just gonna scan this right in. Well, it works. Well, let's test another game. This time it's going to be Sinag. Sorry, it's gonna be flipped like this. Alright. We're testing out Sinag with the arcade stick, as you know. So, a lot of them been known that some of the people play this game, but most people play Vita Fighters. But I like playing Sinag mostly. And also, I have one fun fact of this game. Look, if you go to training mode and if you go to play versus player, so I'm gonna go get my controller right there and
select your character.
Let's put the volume down. I'm pushing a little bit of volume. Alright. You can choose the character with the controller itself in the training mode. Look, in the training mode. Look, if I pick a mode, let's say for example, say here, and I go back. Oh, sorry. Look, I can choose. I can use the DLC characters playable in the training mode by using a controller.
Select your
like
character.
A pro controller, keyboard, or arcade stick. Whatever that stuff is. So let's try Tala, and my opponent's gonna be Batala. And I'm not going to try the DLC ones, and I've seen these ones, and I've tried other ones already. It's good with the combos with the arcade stick, especially the Pro Controller itself, such as the PS5 controllers, but the Nintendo Switch Joy-Cons doesn't even work at all, basically.
Round 1. Fight! First hit.
They can do some dashes in this game. Look at that move. That move is a reference to Gabriel from Omen of Sorrow. Look. That was a great combo, by the way. And if you go to versus mode, you're not gonna play the characters that has ads and DLC. Versus mode, play CPU.
Select your character.
See? It can only work when you use training mode with a controller, like an arcade stick and a pro controller, with PS5, PS4, Xbox, etc. Whatever it's like, or Yahoo Live. And the one that used for controller mapping stuff. Or made by other controller developers.
Round 1. Fight!
Other stages here too, stop a lot. He can backflip. He's like a wrestling music guy.
Knockout.
Almost did his backflip by
Perfect.
The way. I mean, knocked out.
Round 2. Fight! Counter. Counter. Counter.
Maybe some flawless victory. counter combo. I mean, counter single attack, I mean.
Perfect.
You know,
Player 1 wins.
Sinag with arcade stick is good. Stay tuned for some more testing out arcade stick on my phone. So, bye everybody.